Can you make sure mine started? Here. Here, look, hurry up, look.
Yeah, it is.
It's counting?
Yeah.
Alright. Check and see if there's any water in there.
No, you're fine.
Are you sure? Good, buddy. Well, this is the...
$30.
Yeah, no, this is the first video we're making. This is a test video if we're going to put this on YouTube. This is a test video, so... It's a test video, okay? This will be our first video. Alright. Get to press it.
Yeah, guys, our first YouTube video. Woo! Ow. Hey, check if I'm recording.
Alright, turn around.
Yep. Okay, awesome.
Alright, look at me.
Is there any water in it?
I can't see. Sorry. Get into the light of the flashlight, right there. It's full.
No, it's not.
Wait, hold on. Oh, I thought that line was water. I was about to cry. Okay. So,
I'm terrible at recording videos because I keep on grabbing it. But this is actually pretty awesome.
yeah,
Yeah, these.
it's worth this. Hey, if y'all want to get this camera, $30 at Walmart.
$30
Plus,
$10
$10 micro SIM card.
Yeah, it's actually good. I mean, it's not the best quality, but
And if
it's
y'all
pretty good.
can't hear anything, I don't know, because when we tried to do the video the first time,
There was no sound.
there was no sound.
Hey, I'm gonna swim for you.
Alright. Dude, that's cool. You can see the light underwater.
You can?
It's cool. Watch what happens if I go under. Where are the goggles?
They're in the pool somewhere.
They're right here.
No, they're right here. Oh, never mind. I lied. They're in the pool somewhere.
Hold on. Dun, dun, dun.
You got it!
I did it! I just don't know if I can put these on with the GoPro.
Yeah.
Nope, can't. Did that.
Yeah. Oh, under. I want to see.
Could you see?
Sort of.
I wish I could put these goggles on, but I can't.
I mean,
If the audience...
that was a good idea for that camera, but I wish we could set one for that light. Or I wish we could set one for the other. For this dark spot.
Let's see some flow of water. Hold on, guys.
It's Tristan's back!
Sorry.
What do you want this video to be about?
Guys, this is our first video.
Yeah.
We really don't know what to do.
We've never
If
did
you need
this before.
anything, give us some ideas.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. Like and subscribe.
I have no idea. Right, Tristan?
Yep.
Comment down
Below ideas.
ideas what you want our videos to be, because we have no idea.
We have never done this
We're
before.
two teens, we were stupid.
Yeah, pretty much. I'm gonna see if I can do water rings underwater.
Yeah, have fun. The motion sensor light went off. That's not
Is that Crusher?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, first video ever, so my nose isn't bleeding, is it?
Okay, no, it's not.
Okay.
There's my house chimney. That's pretty much how you can see these two lights. We have a terrible setup.
Yeah, here, turn around and look over there. I'll see if you can see the camera. Yours went off.
I went off.
Yes.
Why? Is it back on?
Oh, it's still recording.
It's still recording? Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I really don't know if y'all can see anything, but
It's not too much. Like, let me see yours.
what's up? Is it on?
No.
Just press this button over here.
This button?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Look. You really can't much. Wait, hold on.
Get that.
I don't know where their light is. Like,
What?
look this way. Yours is like so angled up. So
Okay.
yeah, there's the light. Okay.
Alright, sorry about that, guys.
You can't see anything. With that motion sensor light off. Here, I wish we had something. Throw something at it. I'm gonna get out and. Where's the light?
What'd you do?
I got the light back on.
How? Speedy Gonzalez.
Motion sensor.
From the ball.
Hey.
Alright, we're gonna make a new challenge, guys. Nighttime swimming. Search and dive. Dive and search at me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw a ball in the water.
I'm gonna throw it, and then you're gonna get it, okay?
And I'm gonna find it. He's gonna throw it, I guess. I have to turn my back.
Okay.
Alright. So in.
Wait, not yet.
Alright.
I threw it out for you.
So guys, if show a little bit of support. First video. We're small people trying to make it big, kind of. But if y'all can help us out,
Don't look.
it would work really,
3, 2, 1.
really well for us. Alright, here goes
Go.
nothing.
Those YouTubers have over 1 million subscribers. We got those. They're like, how in the world are they doing that? So we wanted to see how it was going to That one over there, that crazy one over there is Tristan.
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah, he didn't hear one word I said either.
Probably not.
Look at the video.
Probably.
I'm not that mean.
Yes, yes.
I said, this was your idea, so if this is terrible or anything, blame it on him.
Okay.
You okay?
Yeah. Fine.
Sorry about the light, practically
$30. We got plus the SIM card, $10, $42.83.
Yeah. I mean,
Thank you.
that's not bad compared to like the actual GoPro.
Which is
That's
like
the
$400.
400. There's my old dog.
We're working on a motion sensor light right now.
Yeah.
That's pain in the butt because we gotta get out of the pool and everything. But
Every time it comes off, you have to get out of the pool or throw something at it. Yeah, that's really a pain in the butt. Okay.
Take your under again. Look at the top of the water.
Oh no, that's okay. I looked at the fish and I was like, there you are. I thought
Oh
that was
crap!
good.
There goes again, guys. This is probably, we're almost done with the video. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can sit there right here. Hey! Oh, my giblet.
You're good.
Alright. Thank you.
Oh, you're gonna watch a vicious
We'll do this tomorrow.
fish attack.
Yep. Ah! We did it. Ah! It's back! Almost died.
But let's end it now. Let's end it real quick.
Alright.
Let's end it by going underwater. So,
Comment.
we're new at this, so click that like button and subscribe. That will be really appreciated.
And also comment down below. We need a new name. Thank y'all. And we'll see you in the next video.